I welcome all of you on platform of Your Pre Education. And yesterday we have uploaded uh, some video related to Mahatma Gandhi scholarship, which is provided by Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program. This is provided by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. What is this? What are its details? That link was provided with the video itself. Now, the most important question of the student was, should we go for it or not? And what after this course of 2 years, which obviously will be paid, and what will be the career after that? I'm going to discuss that particular thing very clearly here. So if you ask me that, sir, should we go for it or not? See, my answer is, this is opportunity. Yes, this is opportunity, and moreover, it is a prestigious thing because it is going to give us scholarship 50,000 per month first year and then 60,000 per month next year, 2 years. And at the same time, we are going to get one certification from IIM also, which will be helpful for us later, that I'm going to discuss with you. So it is a good thing to be tried. We must and we can try for that. And fees is not much. I think 400 rupees till 7th March and 500 rupees is the fees. And good thing is, like, opportunities will be in your own state because local language, knowledge of local language is required. जैसे अगर आप पंजाब से हो तो पंजाबी चाहिए, आपको उसका नॉलेज होना चाहिए, तो पंजाब में ही कहीं ना कहीं आपका उसके लिए जॉब लगेगा. You know, many of you think if it is related to rural area or skill development in rural area, you have to work in a village or something. Actually, it is not there. Let me ask you a question. Where do district magistrate or district authorities or SDO or junior engineer work? In which area? If I tell you, are you willing to join junior engineer in Rajasthan? Answer is yes. Where do you work? You work in the rural area only. So that is not a problem. I mean, entire India is, India still lives in villages, you know. So don't think that something is related to rural development of rural areas. That means you have to work in rural interior areas, or that is something which is not good. Don't think that way. So there are districts, there are towns, there are cities, and you can move around and you can work from there. So location of the job is not a trouble in this particular case also. Now let me tell you the kind of opportunities, 2-3 things before I go, and then I will discuss in detail. I will also tell you what they have said about the opportunities. When this course is run by IIMs, people think that IIMs will provide the placement opportunities. Actually, it is not the PGDM offered by IIMs or fellowship program by IIMs. This is a certification course by IIM which will enhance your skill. It will make you capable. So IIM is not going to provide you any placement opportunities, but in the process of 2 years, they are going to give you money. So there are two models here. First model, you give 25 lakh to IIMs and IIMs give you management degree and placement facility. No, IIM is giving you money. I am giving you 50,000 per month. Understand? IIM is giving you 50,000 per month. Let's say 15 lakh in 2 years. IIM is giving you, and IIM is saying, no, we will increase your capability and you find a job for yourself. And finding job for yourself is not difficult because skill development is a World Bank sponsored program. And I know that in skill development program, there are so many opportunities keep on coming in different kind of ministries also. If you are interested only in getting associated with government jobs, public sector jobs, then ministries also. And also in the process, you get lot of things. You enhance your skills such a way that you can become self-employed in the process. And last but not the least, if nothing hits, I think you can enter into IIMs. At least you can get into IIMs with the fellowship programs or something like that. That will be very helpful to you if you go for this certification course. Now let me tell you what is this all about. So last date till 27th March you can apply, and Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, MSDE, I will call it MSDE, Government of India, along with IIMs, IIM Bangalore is taking the lead, has started this Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program. Now, what is this already was explained in our previous video, how it is going to be, like orientation on campus in IIMs, and then how you go to district, that everything. I mean, link will be attached to this, my video also. You can access that particular detail. And it is a part of Sankalp, you know, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship basically launched this program in 2018. They launched this program, and it was to be completed by 2023, and it was basically with the assistance of World Bank. And this this Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship certificate program in public policy and management is basically related to this particular course only. So that entire, it may not be visible because of the bright light here, but this entire details are already there on the site. You can go for that. I want to bring to your basically this notice this certain things, you know, I want you to understand these certain things. Maybe you can see now. This Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program is basically to increase your skill development and economic, I mean, how you can contribute to the development of the skill and how you can improve the economic development of certain areas after your learning. So you people are going to get some kind of learning in the IIMs, and that using that learning you are going to develop the skill of other people in the district or in the areas, and how to develop the opportunities in economic development. So ये सारा चीज आपको करना है. In the process you will also acquire the skill, and I'm sure that in the process you will also develop some kind of skills which will help you to go for self-employment, entrepreneurship, and finding the jobs also. There will be so many government, public sector and private sector bodies associated with this. I give you a small example, like training people on rapid prototyping machine. You understand, that is also skill, because working on 3D printing can give you job. So if I'm a 3D printing expert, I can establish my own small 3D printing machine and I can start doing the job. So training people on 3D printing is a skill, right? And there are private companies who are basically selling those 3D printing machines to people and to skill development departments. So if you get basically skilled in this, you can associate with that particular private company also. So this is also one of the opportunities for you to associate yourself with those private companies which are associated with this skill development program. It's a very, very big program, skill development program, being run by government, many government ministries, public sectors, and also the private sector. So if you enter into this, all these domains are open for you for your basically career opportunities. So we have already discussed that this how much scholarship will be given to you, and this is a 2 years program. That everything was discussed in the previous video. And criteria, what is the criteria? You can be graduate in any discipline, engineering, law, medicine, etc. From any university you can have. Yes, 3 years of your experience in social or NGO, non-profit sector, rural area working will always be encouraged. And many of you who have done this, so those of you who have done some years of experience in this particular areas, they should positively apply for that. If you do not have that, because this course they are launching and I'm very sure less people are going to apply for this, those who are going to apply and they apply seriously, opportunities this will be very high. I will also tell you one thing, like whether to join it or not to join it. For that you still have time, but first you explore the opportunities. It will not cost you much. First you can explore the opportunities, like I clear the exam, the written exam, I clear the interview, I write a good research statement of purpose why I want to get into this, and clear it. Once you clear it, you have options to go for 2 years program. Then you can think of, okay, whether you want to go for it or not. So certification of completion will be given to you on public policy and management, which are offered by the IIMs, which are working into this. So how many fellows? 660 plus fellows. Tuition fees, as you know, this is they fully funded by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and you will get stipend of 50,000 and 60,000. That is what they get it. So you will be working in these states. You can expect that you will be working in your own states. If you are from Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, you will be working in these areas only. So you should know your language also, right? That is that. Now this is the most important thing which I wanted to discuss. What are the post course opportunities? You will find this also in their site. So what are the opportunities? Number one, IIMs are not going to give you any placement options. So you will not get benefit of the IIMs placements. So it is not indirect way to enter into IIMs, which you could not enter through PGDM or CAT exam. So you enter through this. That is not the case. So it is not that they will not help you in that. But yes, the moment you associate with yourself with these departments, skill development departments, through this certification course, you get comprehensive understanding of the working in rural economies. Along with you, there will be so many private companies working in the rural economy. Rural economies mein there are so many private players, you know, there are so many companies dealing with the rural infrastructure, rural machines, agriculture machines, agriculture equipment machines. So all you will be basically dealing with them and you will be knowing them. So if you work 2 years seriously, if you seriously work for 2 years in this, positively you get a lot of opportunities and you get to learn also, and you can, if you are really doing good, you get jobs also in those particular companies. Okay, and then this the moment you do, how you will find the consulting jobs. What is written by this particular I mean what they've written in this advertisement, that what we feel is that once you graduate from it, you will be successful in finding the consulting jobs with the state and national government department across all domain. This is what they have written actually on the website. Listen, this is the most important basically line. That's what I'm going to, am I going to get placed, or what kind of job I'm going to get after 2 years. Now see what they've written. We anticipate that graduating fellows will be successful in finding consulting job. You will find the job of a consultant with the state and national government department across all domains. So there are so many state government departments, central government departments, which keep on hiring the consultant. So you can be that consultant working with the government. In private consulting jobs, yes, private companies also can hire you as consultant. And with corporate social responsibility based organization, CSR is a very big thing. You know, every public sector has a CSR department, corporate social responsibility department, and that corporate social responsibility department is something which has lot of budget to be spent on these activities. And certainly if you have worked there, and largely the money is spent into the rural areas. So this is the most important thing. Sir, can I work with IOCL after the certification course? Yes, if IOCL is doing corporate social responsibility activity for which they are hiring consultant, you will be the best suited consultant because you have done 2 years of rigorous rural development activities to this IAMS course. So credibility goes up and opportunity also. Corporate social responsibility is not only done by public sectors but private sectors also. So वो तो opportunity आपके पास है ही, that is going to be there. And other NGOs, non-profit organizations and all. And moreover, no, you get the insight. You get, when you work there, you get a lot of insight. This question कि सर इसके बाद क्या होगा, this question is similar to if you ask me कि सर मैं PhD करूंगा तो jobs कहाँ लगेंगी. अगर PhD seriously करते हो ना, if you spend 3, 4, 5 years seriously on a work, then you get the job as per your effort. So if you don't do anything here, obviously up interview mein you will not be in position to answer anything, so you get no options. But if you do something seriously here, then private sector is open to you, public sector is open to you, governments are open to you. As consultant, as employee, you can join them and you can open your own venture also. Now what kind of people they are looking for? The person who is committed and who has passion for school and skill and rural development areas, you know, who can work in. And majority of us know, even today 60-70% of all graduates, engineering, non-engineering, all graduates are from rural area only. So if you have passion to work for the development of rural area, if you want to work in that particular capacity, then this is the domain for you. You need to identify that why you want to work it. So in your statement of purpose, you have to write something like that. I belong to this area, I want to develop my area, I want to work in, I'm a civil engineer, so I have interest. Civil engineer as junior engineer in rural area is doing the same thing. No, this is the different way. And I tell you one more thing, there are so many state governments in which junior engineer for first, why junior engineer, even assistant engineer, AE, for many years are getting very less salary, far less than 50,000. I tell you, for a couple of years. So this is a far better option actually, that you are getting 50,000 also and doing the marvelous work in that particular area also, right? Okay, so in any work experience is required. Yes, if you have work experience, it is preferred, but if you don't have, you can apply. And I don't think many work experience people they are going to get it. So if you do not have work experience, you can apply. That is the meaning of it. How much is the fees? 500 rupees plus GST, but if you apply before 7th March, which I recommend you, then you can get 400 rupees plus GST. Okay, what should be written in statement of purpose? You know, you need to basically tell your goal. You should tell objective, why you want this. and your past history. I live in rural area, I have this kind of exposure, I've worked here, I've seen this, and this is the domain I want to work in. This is the things you have to write in your statement of purpose, which is to be uploaded along with your application. So what is the selection process? There will be a written test. Before that you have to apply statement of purpose, you have to upload, and there's a written test which is asking the same things: general awareness, quantitative ability, written logical reasoning, data interpretation, English, verbal, those things they are going to ask you. And if you go to second stage after this, then obviously again there you have to go for case writing ability, written exam, and personal interview, etc. So those of you who are interested, Yourpedia may writing statement of purpose, clearing this second stage, and this case writing ability and personal interview is the domain of Yourpedia, as you know. So we can help you in that, obviously. So this entire thing, sir. Now last question: should we go for it or not? So my answer to you is, there are some advantages of this. I told you, as a consultant you can work with government departments, public sector departments, private sector. You can join these companies also. You will get insight and create your own something. If you're targeting fellowship program in management in IIMS, PhD program after graduation, any graduation you are from, after this course your probability of selection increases drastically. You will have a lot of probability of selection in those areas. So that is also one of the advantage in which you can think of doing that. So these are the opportunities after this course. So as of now, my advice to you is, if you have little inclination, if you have no inclination at all, forget it. But if you have little inclination for this, just go for the first round, first step, second step, get selected. The moment you get selected, that सर मेरे को अभी ज्वाइन करना है, that time you take a call कि अभी मेरे को जाना है कि और कोई ऑप्शंस मेरे पास हैं, और कोई ऑप्शंस मेरे पास हैं. बट ये ऑप्शन एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटीज बढ़ेंगी, कम नहीं होंगी, बिकॉज इट इज ऑल अबाउट स्किल डेवलपमेंट. सो ज्वाइनिंग दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू डैमेज योर करियर इन एनी वे. इन फैक्ट दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू ओनली इन सम वे or the other. This is a certification course after graduation, and after this if you want to pursue any other course, higher education, it will help you, and any other job, let's say through other opportunities also, like private sector industries hire you on the basis of these things, then that will also be good for you. So I recommend you, if you have little inclination for this, go for it, and whatever help you want to take from Yourpedia, you can take that particular help also. And those of you who want our executive to explain you about this thing further, you can fill the Google form, the details of your details in the Google form, which is attached below this video, and the link of this is also attached. Thank you and all the best.